The fawn calls out, even before it is completely born, cementing the bond with its mother. As the newborn wrestles with gravity, Mom gives it some gentle encouragement. The fawn's wet fur and the biting wind are not a good combination. To avoid getting too cold, it must get on its feet and start moving as soon as possible. The fawn weighs just 9 pounds and has a lot of leg to control. Eventually, it grows more stable. At 20 minutes old, it's just about steady enough for its first drink of milk. Vicuña are extremely social animals. It's time to meet the rest of the herd. Just as soon as it can manage those legs. Vicuña identify each other by sense of smell, so they're sniffing all around. The whole herd comes to greet the new arrival. Although the fawn has met its first challenge of simply getting up and moving, it's still very vulnerable, and will be for the next few hours, especially while it's still so unsteady on its feet. By giving birth in the morning, Vicuña ensure that their young have a chance to dry out before night closes in, bringing with it the bitterest cold of these high Andean peaks. Something's not right with the new Vicuña infant. It shouldn't be alone. Somehow, it's become separated from the herd. The mother searches everywhere, listening for a familiar cry. Her baby desperately needs its milk, but it's heading in the wrong direction. Ahead of it lies the salt flats and possible death by dehydration. The mother is on the right course, but the fawn is heading further away.